Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find number of segments in a string. Given a string S, return the number of segments in the string. A segment is defined to be a contiguous sequence of non-space characters. So they have given example 1. Say input hello, comma, my space name space is space John. So here they have given a sentence. I need to find totally how many segments are there. So here hello is considered to be one segment because after comma we have got a space. Then my is considered to be one segment, name is considered to be one segment, is considered to be one segment, John is considered to be one segment. Totally 5 segments are there, so the output is 5. The second string hello, we have got only one segment, so the output is 1. Now let's discuss the logic in detail. So here they have given hello space, my name is John. So I have given each and every segment in one column is John. Okay. So I have given each and every segment in one column, which means after comma we have a space. So this is the given string. So what we have to do is, first step, I have to check whether the string is empty. So in this condition, check if string is empty. If the string is empty, if the condition is true, what I have to do? I have to just return 0, saying that there is no segment in the given string. In case if it is not equal to 0, what I have to do is take string array and split the segment into individual words, store it in a string array. Take string array, split the words with space and store in it. So what we will be doing is, I will be taking string array, right? So string array, I will give the string name as A. So here I will be splitting. So by using split method, string name I will take it as S dot split. By using split method, I will be splitting with a space. So all the words will be splitted as an individual string that will be stored in the string array. After that, I have to take a loop. Take a loop and start iterating. Okay. For int I is equal to 0, I less than the length of the string, less than a dot length, the length of the string. So string array name is a dot length, then I plus plus. So here I will be checking one condition. What is the condition I am going to check is, if the character which we are getting from the string array, that is a of I, if this is not equal to empty string, if this is not equal to empty string, what I will be doing is, I will be taking a variable and I will be incrementing it. So here I will be taking the variable as int c equal to 0. I will take a variable int c is equal to 0. So the variable c tells the total number of segments. So if it is the character which we are taking from the array is not equal to empty, I will increment the character. If not, I will not increment. That's all. This is the logic of the program. Finally, what will I do? I will return the C value. So here I have taken the entire string, I have split it with a space. Now when I iterate, I'll put all these things in a string array. The string name I have given as A, right? I'll put all these things in a string array. So when I iterate first time, I'll be getting the character called hello, comma. It is not an empty string, so I'll increment my count value. Count value becomes 1. Then when I go for next character, I'll have my. That is not equal to empty string. I'll increment my count value. Previously it was 1, now it becomes 2. Then I'll go for the next iteration. I have got the string called name. Name is not equal to empty string, so I'll increment my count value to 3. Then I'll go for the next iteration. I'll got the string called yes. That is not equal to empty string. I'll go for the character called 4. Then when I go for the next iteration, I've got the string called John. That is not equal to empty string. So I'll increment my count value to 5. Then when I go for the next iteration, condition becomes false, I'll come out of it, I'll return the character called C. This is the logic of the program. Now let's implement this as a program. Now let's implement this as a program. What is the first step I have to do? I have to check whether the string is empty. So is dot equals, I have to give empty string. If it is an empty string, what I have to do? I have to return 0, saying that there is no string in the given string. So I'll return the segment count as 0. In case if it is not equals to 0, first step I have to do is I have to take a string array called S and I split the given input. So I'll give the array name as A. I'll split the given string. So S dot split. How am I going to split the given string? With the space. Whenever I'm getting a space, I'll split it as an individual string. I'll put it in a string array. Now what I have to do? I have to take a for loop for int I is equal to 0 up to the length of the string array. Length I plus plus. So here I have to check the condition saying that if the a of I, so the element from the array is not equal to empty string. If it is not equal to empty string, what I have to do? I have to increment the count value. That is C value will be incremented. Finally, what I have to do? I have to return the character C. Now let's run the code. If there is an error, C++. Okay, I have not initialized a variable called C. So initially, I have to take a variable C and initialize a count value with 0. That is why I am getting an error. Now let's run the code. As it passes the test cases, let's submit the code. As it passes all the test cases. That's all.